Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Got a big morning. Glad to be back. First off, I want to thank you all for all the prayers, support, everything that you guys have been messaging me. Test came back good. So let's get back to trading, guys. So first things first, today is a huge day. Tesla annual shareholder meeting, battery day. You guys know Elon Musk. He loves to pump his stock here, and he does great presentations. So we're going to be watching that stock today, possibly for some day trades. Maybe we could do something like an out-of-the-money vertical spread and look for something at least like a 200% return if it gets up to that 500 resistance area that she's been struggling with. Amazon was upgraded to $3,400 a share this morning, so that one's getting a nice pop here, up about 2% in the pre-market hours. And Apple here, Apple's up about 2%. I'm looking at that. That's holding that 50, 105 pretty well here on a daily chart, 3-month daily. I'm going to be looking for a target on Apple if we make a trade on that of about 120 a share. Okay, so another one here is Walmart. It's a holiday cyclical trend, great trade idea. We got a nice hook pattern. We have base support here right at around 135 a share. I'm going to be looking around 142 to 145 from now until November 20th to December 18th monthly expo. And Nikola, a lot of downgrades coming up on this down here. Obviously, the founder there, he had to give up about, I think, $600 million worth of shares, but he gets to keep 3.1 billion worth. So that's not too bad of a setup for him. He also has to stay away from the company for a certain amount of time, and he can't be an advisor for 3 years. So with that being said, guys, I hope we have a great day in the markets. Let's take the first 15, 30 minutes here. Make sure we're not going to see any volatility like we've been seeing in the markets. And if we don't, I'd like to be looking at some ideas like Walmart, Apple, PayPal, Oracle still looking good for a longer term trade setup. And then, of course, these cyclical trends here, I'd be looking for the holiday season, November 20th, December monthly expo there. Usually we'll see a nice pop there. I like the Apple setup. Walmart's looking good. The nice thing about Walmart, we have base support at 135. So we could do something like the 132.50, 135 vertical spread that's in the money, fully in the money. The stock right now is at 137.69. So it could drop $2. We'll still make the max gains on that vertical spread there. And that 135 could be our stop. So if we buy the 132.50, sell the 135, it comes down to 135, that'll be our stop. We're still going to have a pretty decent gain on that as we go along here, So that's looking good for about the November 20th expo. I'd go with that. 142 to 145 would be the target. Apple, I love that going into the holidays as well. We saw some nice activity. It dropped all the way down to about 102.50 yesterday, climbed all the way back up to 110 where it closed at the highs of the day, and she's on the move again here this morning. So got a lot of activity here in the pre-market hours, and we'll be looking to make some swing trades here. Facebook's up about 1.5%, 251 a share. And we'll be looking at tech as that was one of the biggest sell-offs here. So hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the trade room, and I'll see the members live on Zoom. Take care, guys. Have a great day. God bless, and glad to be back.